Good morning. Describing my family by María Yanela Jurado Mera. Personal presentation. My name is María Yanela Jurado Mera. I am 21 years old. I am from Tuquerres, Nariño. I live with my parents and brother. I am studying technology in radiology and diagnostic images. My hobbies are dancing and listening to music, and I like to ride a bicycle. My family. My mother is Ruby Mera. She is 52 years old. She is secretary at the school. She is from Tuquerres, Nariño. My mother is very nice. She is short, her eyes are black, and she has brown hair. My father is Terence Jurado. He is 50 years old. He is administrator of a park. He is from Tuquerres, Nariño. My father is very friendly. He is so tall, his eyes are black, and he has black hair. My brother is Juan Pablo Paredes. He is 25 years old. He is teacher of physical education. He is from Tuquerres, Nariño. My brother is very cheerful. She is short, his eyes are black, and he has brown hair. Thank you.